Greetings, YouTube. Allied Analyst back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, right here in Grove Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia. In today's video, YouTube, we're super excited to share with you guys just how much our pine cone shampoo ginger has grown since our last video update. If you recall from that last video update, YouTube, this is what our pine cone shampoo ginger here at Ginger Valley looked like during our last video update. And this, YouTube, this is indeed what our pine cone shampoo ginger here at Ginger Valley currently looks like right here, right now, Grow Zone 8B, right here in Tifton, Georgia. Take a look at this, YouTube. Bam! Can you guys see this forest, YouTube? This virtual forest of pine cone shampoo ginger that we currently have growing right here alongside my front porch in the location where Bumblebee Junction previously sat last season, YouTube. Again, we indeed have a forest, YouTube, a forest of pine cone shampoo ginger growing here, YouTube. And not only do we have some incredibly lush foliage here at Ginger Valley, YouTube, we have blossoms. We have pine cone shampoo ginger blossoms here, YouTube. Take a look at this. Bam! Can you guys see that pine cone shaped blossom that has developed? And can you see the flowers that our blossom currently has on it, YouTube? That pine cone shampoo ginger blossom is currently about the size of an average pine cone. It will get a slightly larger than that. It will turn a bright red color, YouTube. And check out those flowers, YouTube. Not only do we have that particular pine cone shampoo ginger blossom here at Ginger Valley, YouTube. Take a look at this. Bam! We also have another down here, YouTube. And check out those flowers on it. We have another here, YouTube. You guys see that? We also have another over here, YouTube. This is our very first year, YouTube, having this many blossoms in any planter where we've grown our pine cone shampoo ginger here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel. And that lets us know, YouTube, that this is indeed the prime location for us to grow our ginger in the future. Just as we did last year, YouTube, we will indeed be harvesting our pine cone shampoo ginger and all of the rhizomes that have indeed multiplied down there in that soil since we originally planted our tiny rhizomes that were about this size. We planted a total of 6 rhizomes here in this planter, roughly about 10 inches to a foot apart here in this planter, YouTube. And as you can see, YouTube, we have cane after cane after cane back there from our first rhizome. So our ginger has indeed grown in that direction over there quite extensively since we first planted it here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel. Our next rhizome over, YouTube, that exact same thing as you guys can see. We have so many canes down here in this planter, it's completely ridiculous. Our pine cone shampoo ginger rhizomes have indeed multiplied here with these 2 rhizomes here in this area also, YouTube. Next over, as you guys can see, our third rhizome again was about this size and has multiplied in both directions, YouTube. So we are expecting quite a nice size pine cone shampoo ginger harvest here in December. Same thing with our 5th pine cone shampoo ginger rhizome here. Has several canes on it, YouTube. And our 6th and tiniest pine cone shampoo ginger, YouTube, has indeed expanded. Take a look at that. It is indeed sprouting another cane at this point down there. We'll indeed wait until about November, as we did last year, before we harvest our pine cone shampoo ginger rhizomes. And again, for any of you guys who don't know, the rhizomes from pine cone shampoo ginger is the exact same thing as the rhizomes from any other type of ginger. You can use this ginger in the same way that you use any other type of ginger rhizomes, YouTube. We'll be offering our rhizomes from this particular harvest for sale. So if any of you guys would like to pre-order your rhizomes from us, you can contact us at the email address in the description below this video, YouTube. We will indeed take your order at this point. We'll give you guys prices on how much we will be indeed selling these rhizomes for. And our prices will indeed include shipping. At any rate, YouTube, thanks for watching this video. And if you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening channel, please indeed take this moment to put that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure, YouTube, be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah. Growing pine cone shampoo ginger right here at Ginger Valley in our front yard garden extended grow area. Grow Zone 8B right here in Tifton, Georgia. Thanks for watching, YouTube.
Trying to pave the way for me and my peeps to get paid. Hit the bathroom, splash some cold water on my face. Okay, thanks to y'all for letting this light you see another day. Herbal meditation, elevation in the booth. Ain't much of a drinker, but they call this lion 100 proof. Ain't 1990, but this lion's about to raise the roof. Get tested, let me tell you what this lion's gonna do. I'm known for ripping haters just like I did the last time. Cause I shut them down every time I say what's on my mind. It was 6 years ago when I first hit the rap game. And way back then nobody really even knew my name. But it's a different time, a different city, different state. I started out small, but now this lion's heavyweight. Can you picture this? Sit back and watch me reminisce. I'm knocking haters off and I got your name up on my list. This line is on the rise. You can see it in my eyes. I'm aiming for the top prize. I know it's been a minute. That don't mean I fell off. Rap king of the streets, and yeah, I'm still the boss.